Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we've got something truly cool, the 2008 Dodge Viper SRT-10, paired with none other than Venom himself from Jada's Marvel line. Let's crack this open and see what this beast has to offer. And here it is on the turntable, the Venom Dodge Viper. Right away you can see the aggressive design. Deep metallic gray paint with white striping across the sides, red accents along the body kit, and of course those big custom chrome-lipped wheels. Sitting right next to it is Venom himself, muscular, menacing, and ready to take over the streets. Let's check out the details. Up front, you've got that signature Viper nose with dual headlights, detailed grille work, and the front splitter rocking that bright red trim. On the side, custom graphics running across the doors, and the Viper SRT-10 badge tucked in right behind the front fenders. Around back, you'll notice the wide rear tires, red taillights, and a custom Marvel license plate. A cool little Easter egg for collectors. Now this one's got all the Jada 124 features we love, opening hood, doors, and trunk. Pop the hood and you'll find a fully detailed V10 engine, complete with painted valve covers and black intake manifold. Open the doors and check out the interior. Blacked out racing buckets, detailed steering wheel, shifter, and dash controls. Even the pedals are visible inside. And in the rear, the trunk space opens up, keeping it true to scale. These wheels are some of my favorites. Deep dish chrome lips with black racing spokes, wrapped around rubber tires with tread pattern. Behind them, you can see red painted brake calipers and drilled rotors. Jada always nails that aggressive stance, and this Venom Viper sits nice and low between the muscle of the car and the menace of the figure. This is one combo that looks just as good on display as it does spinning on the turntable. Definitely a must-have for Marvel fans, diecast collectors, or anyone who loves mean-looking cars. So that's all we have for today, but stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this 1977 Pontiac Firebird from the movie Smokey and the Bandit. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I invite you to go check out our other videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do the unboxing so that you don't have to open yours. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.